Welcome back to the series of scenario-based interview question and answer in a SQL. So, our question is how to calculate the total salary of all employees. Okay. For that, the data we have is this employee table. In this, we have total 3 columns: employee ID, employee name, and employee salary. And we want to add all of the salaries. Okay. So, we want to find here sum of the salary of all employees. So, to see data first, we write the select query here. So, select star from employees. Now execute. And we want to add all of these numbers. So, to perform addition, we have inbuilt sum function in our SQL. So, here we will write select sum of salary from employees table. Give semicolon and hit execute. So here we are getting answer as 2,24,000. So this is addition of all of the salaries from employee table. So like this, we can calculate total salary of all employees by using sum function, which is the inbuilt function in the MS SQL Server. Till then, stay tuned for the upcoming questions. Thank you.